Good morning, Eastern Stars.
Today is Thursday, June 6, 2024. I'm Hayden.
I'm Mr. Cooper.
I'm Ayla.
And I'm Nettie.
For lunch, Nettie.
It's picnic day. First choice hot dog with chips and watermelon. And second choice is some butter and jelly with a cheese stick and crackers.
And you'll notice that the fifth graders will be serving you today. Hayden's got her hat on already as per the Food and Health Administration or something like that. We're following the rules today. We got some birthdays, Ayla.
Happy birthday to Griffin and Ms. Elaine's class, Brendan and Mrs. Wilberry's class, Oliver and Mrs. Fack's class, and Landon and Mrs. Ferguson's class. We hope you have a great day.
And lots of summer birthdays.
We left off with our summer birthday shout-outs with Penelope and Mrs. Meyer's class on August 8th. Continuing on Karen in 3rd grade, Samuel in pre-K, Hannah in 1st grade, Leah in 1st grade, Archie in pre-K, Isabella in 5th grade, Joy in pre-K, Leland in 3rd grade, Cooper in 3rd grade, Cora in 3rd grade, Jude in pre-K, Emma in 5th grade. Is that it? Nope. Charlie in 3rd grade, Haywood in 1st grade, Lucy in 2nd grade, Rosa in kindergarten, Grady in kindergarten, Rain in kindergarten, Samuel and junior kindergarten, Graham in 2nd grade, Elaine in 1st grade, Marley in pre-K, John in kindergarten, Sayawash in 5th grade, Jake in kindergarten, Emma in pre-K, June in 2nd grade, Francis in kindergarten, Shyla in 1st grade, Gigi in 3rd grade, Vivi in 1st grade, Owen in 3rd grade, Will in kindergarten, Calvin in 3rd grade, Brooklyn in 3rd grade, Berkeley in 2nd grade, and Leilani in 1st grade on August 28th.
That's where we'll leave you off today. We still have some more shout outs. And there's teacher birthdays that we got to talk about tomorrow on our last day. Let's see here. What's the weather going to be like?
What?
Oh, sorry. Actually, let's skip the weather. It's going to be a nice day. What's that special announcement? Sorry.
Upper Yale Talent Show is from 2 to 3 at the high school auditoriums.
Shout outs.
Mrs. Richmond would like to thank Mr. Cooper and the 5th graders for doing such a great job with announcements all year.
Aw, thank you, Mrs. Richmond. Very kind. Another shout out.
Ms. Payne and Mr. Cormier would like to give a shout out to Mrs. Harnish, Mrs. Enoskin,
Enixon.
Mrs. Holly and Mrs. Hicks for being Eastern Stars staff. For being Eastern Stars and such an important part of our school staff. Thank you.
Another shout out.
Riley, Holly, and Mrs. Kirchmark's class would like to give a shout out to Mrs. Kirchmark's class. Would like to give a shout out to Cole and Dr. How do I say that?
Chaprinka.
Class for being an amazing brother.
All right, and we have some artwork to show you on our second to last day of school. We got one over here.
This is from Ellie and Mrs. Lane's class.
Ooh.
Ellie is my neighbor.
You know Ellie? Yes. Who do we got here?
Nora from Mrs. Feaster's class.
Whoa, a lot of work went into that one.
Leona from Miss Edwardson's class.
Woo! What else do we have over here? Sure. This is, what is it? Ruthie and Mrs. Broad's class found an egg. Nice job, Ruthie. Do we have any more of this stuff?
Yeah.
This
This is from Evan in Miss Edwardson's class.
Whoa, Evan. This
Did
is
we show
from,
this?
I don't know. Let's
This
show it
is
again.
from Colby and Rosie and Mrs. Freeman's class.
There's a little bee in
Do you want me to
there.
take it out?
No, that's okay.
This is also from Evan in Miss Edwardson's class.
All right. And check this out. What we got here? This is from Harper. Brought it in this morning, Mrs. Ferguson's class. Found herself a snail. Got a little environment. That's really cool. Ooh, shout out! Look at this! Sayawash finished Khan Academy on the second to last day. And also, another one printing over here. Case finished one as well. That's pretty cool. Finishing Khan Academy just in the nick of time. Do we have any other announcements to share with them?
I don't think so.
Okay, well then that's where we will send them off. Nice job. Oh, do we know what kind of Thursday they're going to have? All right, that's all for today.
Remember to be safe, trustworthy, attentive, and respectful. Be a star. Have a thrilling Thursday. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.